Hey there, it's Sharon YourGuitarGuide, helping you find your sound. And if you're ready to learn an easy beginner guitar riff on acoustic, well, that's coming up. Thank you and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today, I've got some riffs to show you. So let's get to it. And by the way, if you like this type of lesson, can you click the like button? It helps me out and it tells YouTube that you like the video, so more people get to see the video. So, let's start with this riff here. It looks harder than it is. You may know it. Nancy Wilson does this. From Heart, Nancy Wilson. And you actually play that 2 times through, just like that. And I would break this down into little pieces like that, learn that part of the riff. And then once you get that perfected, go to the next part. And stick around because I'm going to tell you how to get all the tabs that I just showed you at the beginning. So if you want to get that, hang out with me and I'll tell you how to get it. So after we play this, and we're going to play that 2 times through. So it's, I'm going to name the frets. 3 on the E string, open A string. 2 on the D, open D string. 3, 2, open A. That's all on the A string. 1 on the E. We're doing it 2 times through. Then it goes, which is 3 on the E, open A, 2 on the D, open D, 3, 2, open A, back to 3 on the E. So this is what goes. Then the next part is which is 2, open D, 3, 2 on the A, back to the first string and the E string. That's almost exactly what we did at the beginning. And then it's 2, open, 3, 2, open, 3rd fret of the E. So the last part of that is 2, open on the D, 3, 2 of the A, 3rd fret of the E, open A. And all together it is, whoops, it's not that. All together it's, so if you like this kind of a lesson, can you click the like button? Let YouTube know that you like this channel. And I told you I was going to tell you how to get all the tabs that I showed you at the beginning of the lesson, including this riff here. Check the link in the description and have a great day. Thanks.